Welcome back to the channel, folks. In our last episode, we managed to get off the grill and the grill surround from this 64 Chevy pickup collision repair. We're still in the removal process, and in today's episode we're going to remove this rad cradle. Pretty much got it loose from the inner fenders. Gonna have to take the rad out and then unbolt this cradle and take it out because it's got a big bend in it right there, which I don't think I'm going to be able to straighten. And even if I could, it's got some rust damage down in here that's been repaired once, kind of, and the same on this side, so I'm not sure if we'll be able to save this piece, but got to take it off anyways to straighten it if I was to save it. Okay, first thing we got to do is get this rad off of here. I've got the top hose already loose and I've drained it for the most part, so I'm going to take off the lower hose and hopefully I don't make a big mess there. Usually there's a bit of coolant left in the bottom here, but I'm hoping that, because it did drain overnight, so hopefully most of it's come out. There we go. Oh yeah. That missed the bucket, of course. Always does. Oh. Now, I think it's just this bracket here. Oh yeah, and the transmission lines, I forgot about that. Which started leaking after the collision, so I guess they were a bit rusty, so I'm gonna have to replace those anyways. Have a look underneath there and see. I'm gonna cut the line because it's rusted anyways. Yeah, let's go with the hacksaw. And I guess next we'll take this bracket off, and then the rad should just pop out. Okay. This is actually in good shape. The rubber's all good on it, so we'll save that. Yep. All right. Oh, a little more coolant, like usual. Wow, that rad really needs to be cleaned. It's full of bugs. Yeah. All right. I think while I have it out, at some point I'll flush it out and then clean the whole inside of the fins and stuff. If anybody knows a good way to do that, let me know. So I might be trying like CLR or something. And who knows what that's going to do. I think it's just these two main bolts that bolt to the frame brackets. So I did soak them with oil yesterday and I gave them a little crack. But this one was pretty tight. Now this one I think is good to go. We'll try that one first. Oh yeah, that one's not too bad. So what do we got here? I guess that's some kind of rubber mount, but it's not looking so hot. I'll have to investigate that. Anyways, yeah, that's some sort of rubber bushing. And there's, ooh, wow, that's rusty. I might have to replace that bolt. It's got a strange square washer on the top of it. I'd like to keep that. Anyways, we'll see about that when we get to it. All right, let's try number 2. Nope, that ain't doing nothing. That's just spinning on around the nut. I guess the nut's rusted away. Let's try a metric size 17. Oh yeah, that'll hammer on. I don't know about getting it off, but it'll certainly hammer on. I like that. Let's get the electric impact. This will take tires off, or wheel nuts I should say, without too much problem. It's either that or it'll break it. One or the other. Oh, okay. I see what's happening. It's spinning up top. So it's spinning up top, and it's a carriage bolt. So Okay, that's not good. Where's my Sawzall? I'm gonna have to make a new bolt anyways, so let's see if we can get the Sawzall in there in a good spot. Well, I guess I'm through. I think so. Well, still have the washer anyways, the unique square washer. I'm gonna save that. Just need to get a carriage bolt and a couple of new nuts and the new rubber mounts. All right, now everything should be out of the way technically. Huh, what am I missing here? Maybe somebody welded it. Yeah, somebody did. I guess when they did that the sheet metal repair here. Yeah, okay. I think the best bet is just to cut that with something. Maybe I can get it with the Sawzall. The little one-hander. There we go. Okay. I think that's got it. There we go. Whoa. Yeah, well, yes, that's exactly what happened. Somebody did repair this while it was on there. Welded it on one side and just folded it over on the other side. But, I mean, this thing is probably ruined now anyways, because of this side here. It's got the same deal, same repair job, but as you can see, this is all folded over. If this was in mint condition here, I would probably try and straighten that. And I still might, but for now, yeah, I think it's going to go into the later on project for something else. I'll see if I have a better one to install here. Okay, so that's hopefully the last piece I got to pull off of here. Let me get this out of the way. Well, now I can at least see the light at the end of the tunnel. This is all still in good shape. On this side over here, where the collision was, the metal is good, but this is kind of warped here, so I'll have to hammer that back. This is solid metal, so it's just a matter of hammering it back in shape. So yeah, clean all this up, straighten it, clean it, paint it, see if I can find another rad saddle. I also got to deal with these transmission lines. I mean, they're pretty beat up there. They've actually rusted through in one spot, and so it's time for some new lines. So take this fan off, get an electric fan for the rad. Other than that, yeah, we're on the coming back trail. Took the wire wheel and gave it a pretty good scrubbing. Got pretty much all the dirt and rust around the edges. Bring you in for a closer look here. And yeah, so I gave it that good wire wheel, and there's still a bit of cleaning here to do, but that's just a bit of grease. So I'm going to wash it all down and give it some rust treatment for all this areas here. And I think what's probably going to happen here is I'm going to likely paint these inner fenders black, because I believe that's how they were from the factory anyways. For some reason somebody painted them red, but this would be a good time to paint them black, and we'll be ready to start reassembling some pieces. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing, liking and sharing, I really appreciate that too. And like I say, we're going to carry on with this hopefully tomorrow, and I hope to see you there.